LAVONE Wireless Charger adopts the latest Qi wireless technology, with 3-in-1 fast wireless charger, digital alarm clock, 3 different mode adjustable night light, smartwatch and earphone storage charging station, phone holder features. It's a fashion design and high-quality multi-function wireless charging station for multiple devices, storage charging base help you hide the cable, easy to use. LAVONE phone charging station 1.5 to 2 hours full fast charging, compatible with iPhone 13 Pro, 12 Pro Max, the 11th of December 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR, X, XS, XS Max, 8/8 Plus, SE, for Apple Watch Series say, 6, 5/4, 3/2, AirPods 1/2, AirPods Pro, charging cable not included. Compatible for Samsung Galaxy Note 9/8, 7/5, S20, S10, S10 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge and more Qi-enabled devices. The lamp comes with 3 different color light, warm light, natural light and cold light, also with touch control. A long press of the switch can increase or decrease the brightness gradually. Soft night light create a safe comfortable atmosphere. It can be used for baby, adults relaxation, sleep, office, travel, study, meditation, home and more. LAVONE wireless charging station with digital alarm clock, 4-clock display mode, clock setting mode, 12/24 hour setting mode, alarm setting mode, date setting mode. You can place your phone on the phone holder of charging pad, more easier and comfortable to enjoy playing your phone. LAVONE wireless charging dock is a great gift for Valentine, birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, parties, Women's Day, Mother's Day gifts, Father's Day gifts, etc. We provide 24 hours with friendly customer service. If you have any questions or issues about your phone charger station, please feel free to tell us and we will gladly assist you at any time. Top reviews from the United States. I love this charging station. I was a bit worried after reading some of the other reviews, but I'm really glad I decided to give it a chance. I have not had a single issue with it at all in the 2 months since I purchased it. I set it up using the instructions on the printed manual and it has worked perfectly since day one. I charge my iPhone, Apple Watch, and headphones each night as well as set the alarm clock function on the charging station as a backup because my phone has randomly turned off alarms in the past. All of my devices are always fully charged in the morning, and I've charged my watch a few times during the day and it was incredibly fast as well. I do not use the night light part of it much, but I love that I can adjust the brightness of the clock too. When the clock is on the brightest setting, that is enough to be a nightlight for me.